Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to fix HPG fire docking station Ethernet not working, LAN cable, network and driver troubleshooting. To fix an HPG fire docking station Ethernet connection, first power cycle the dock and update both the dock's firmware and the computer's network drivers. These steps are the most common solution to resolving unexpected network drops and adapter recognition failures. Fix 1. Perform a hard reset. Unplug all cables from the dock including the power cables, USB-C cable, and Ethernet cable. Then press and hold the dock's power button if it has one for 15 to 30 seconds. And then reconnect the power cable first, then connect the dock back to your laptop and plug in the Ethernet cable. Fix 2. Update dock firmware and drivers. Navigate to the official HP Support Assistant to automatically fetch updates. Alternatively, search for a specific model on the HP Customer Support website to manually download and install the latest Realtek USB Ethernet drivers and dock firmware updates. Fix 3. Prevent Windows from putting the adapter to sleep. Press Windows key plus X and from the menu select Device Manager. Then expand the Network Adapters section. Right-click on your Ethernet adapter, often labeled as Realtek USB GBE family controller or similar. Then, right-click on it and from the drop-down menu, select Properties. Inside Properties, navigate to the Power Management tab and uncheck the box that says Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, and then click OK. Fix 4. Physical troubleshooting. Check the Ethernet cable for signs of fraying or damage and ensure it's Cat5e or higher. Then check the Ethernet port lights. A blinking or solid green/orange LED means the physical connection is working. Then ensure your USB-C dock cable is securely plugged into your laptop's primary data/power USB-C port. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.